Beside that sports TV where Tiffany camera. First of all, before we get to today's match, speak to me briefly about the journey going forward.
You know, I think from the 2019 World Cup, we really progressed. You know, looking into the 2023, completely different team. I think and different mentality. 2019, we were new to everything, and I think the biggest thing was that we believed in ourselves, regardless of the odds of us getting out of the group stages. And I think that first game against France was key. Being able to tie them 0-0, and we knew after that we're like, we can make it out of the group stages. So that was an amazing experience, and I'm really proud of us girls. And I think, you know, sky's the limit. We definitely still have work to do, but you know, we played against Canada a couple years ago. It wasn't like this. We weren't able to create as many goal scoring opportunities. So now it's just a matter of putting the ball at the back of the net. That's what we have to focus on next game. It's going to be harder. You know, we're going to be playing in Toronto. There's going to be a lot of Canadian fans, but also a lot of Jamaican fans as well too. So yeah, we'll see what happens. But I'm proud of this team. We came really far, and we should keep our heads up.
I mean, the first 15 minutes or so, you guys were somewhat dominating that game. What exactly happened here going forward?
Yeah, I was like, wow, we're coming out to play. And we spoke about this. We said, you know, we have to use this to our advantage, come out strong, and show Canada that we're ready to play against them. We respect them highly. They won the last Olympics, you know, so we knew we had to come to play. I just think it's now being smooth all throughout the game, you know, and staying focused. You know, those small little keys, little moments, we gotta sharpen up a little bit. But I still think that we should be proud of some of the things that we did today. We did create some good opportunities.
Okay, and my final thing for you, I just want you to leave a message to the Reggae Girls supporters out the diaspora and local.
I just want to say thank you so much for your support, and we need you guys. You know, not all games go the way that we want them to go, but it's not over, and we're going to give everything that we can to continue to make Jamaica proud. So just keep supporting us, and we love you.
Thank you, Tiffany, and all the